Hello everyone, welcome back for Speaking English for every single day with me, Yon. Someone who has a certain obsession with storytelling and also practicing English in the front of camera. Guys, I'm coming back with you. I'm coming back as a coach? No, I'm not a coach. Someone who has obsession. Yeah. Okay, guys. Before we get started to the story, I would like to be with something that making me so excited about it. So it is about confident. Wow, confident. But confident again and confident. Yeah. Guys, the meaning of confident. So confident. Confident. You know something very well, and then you are going to be not concerned about the outcome after you teach them, after you do presentation about it, because you can handle the material or something that already in your mind and you just confident about it. That's the meaning of confident, guys. Yeah, actually, the confident that I mean for today, it's about a sound. You know sound? Yeah, the sound. Something that's coming out from your mouth. Something that's coming out from our mouth. Yeah, it sounds. So have you ever seen someone or people that they spoken so very slow, so low? Yeah, even though their friends couldn't hear him because the sound is so low. And also there's someone, or there are people as well. Yeah, and their sounds out loud. Even someone with a pretty far distance with him, but the sounds are still audible because the confident. So that's the confident. I wanna be confident. I wanna be my sounds, or the sounds that's coming out from my mouth is audible and completely clear, while while people listen to it. And so that's why lately I'm going to my internet. I'm going to YouTube, and then I have I have so much curiosity. I have so much curious about someone could be help me to tackle this problem, this issue. And fortunately, after a couple of hours, I found a guy. Yeah, a guy. So he is completely a content creator. He is completely content creator with 25,000 follower of or subscriber, and it's written in the descriptions that he is code certificate. Yeah, code certificate. And so that's why right in this day I will be with his point. Yeah, because in his video he revealed some point that make our sons confident. Okay, yeah, let me be honest about it. He explained it so very pretty complex. Yeah, I would say about it because I'm a beginner about this one, so I couldn't understand about a lot of technical explanation from him. So I got actually a bold point of the explanation. So I will be with the bold explanation with you guys. As I learn, you should also use this method, right? Because all of us have the same obsession about it, right? Okay, so let's head over to the number one. So the things that we have to do is go to our breath, the ability to manage our breath. Yeah, like when you can take a deep breath from nose and then let it out from your mouth, and you will be with your hand on your stomach here and feeling something while you let it out from your mouth. Yeah, it calls with exhale and inhale. Okay, so let's head over to number two. The number two is practicing. Okay, I actually am familiar with this way of he explained about it. So it's with not shadowing, like tongue twister. This is tongue twister, but but not tongue twister as I usually do to improve my pronunciation. No. So this one is different. So you you only say one word at that moment. Ah, I, U, E, O. I, U, E, O. Say it clear. Say it clear. Try to use this method frequent because it would make you it would make your pronunciation absolutely clear. And then the number three is practicing, as I use today, practicing in the front of camera. What's your mode? What's your yourself in the camera as you explain something? Yeah, anything, whether you explain about yourself or your room, whatever that's coming out from your mind. And then you could make a feedback after you use this, and then you see the outcome. You go to the result after you record it. And then number 4 is stand tall like this one. Yeah, your chest here, don't try to lower your chest like this. No. So try put your chest here, and then your back doesn't have to look like this. So the correct one like this one, like this, as you can see here, right? Yeah. And the number 5, or the last one, is I forget. Okay guys, so those are the bullet point I get from someone who is from code certificate randomly I found from the internet. Okay, thank you guys.